inspiration and motivation. There was one picture competition for the students, children. Various pictures were run and you have to give a caption to that picture. So there was one picture and all the students have to write and give it. So the picture was, there was a sufficiently fat lady on the bus stop. That was the picture. Give a optimum perfect caption. See? Spiritual life is thinking out of the box. Our thinking is box thinking. Okay. So all the students saw that and gave the caption and gave it to me. And then I had to select one. So I selected best one. And the caption was motivating. So when I said, this is the best caption, but how come you say motivating? See, friends, one is motivation and second is inspiration. Inspiration comes from within. Motivation is borrowed inspiration. See? Motivational talks, isn't it? So, initial stages in everybody's life, we are seeking something which we do not know. And therefore we start struggling. And then for no reason, God's grace is equal to no reason. See? God's grace is beyond cause and effect. Why? The sky is too high. See? So, for no reason, we come across something in our life. An event, an accident, a good thing, a bad thing. And that motivates us for something which was earlier unknown to us. See? So, our life begins, first of all, under the shadow of darkness of ignorance. Then, something happens in everybody's life and that changes the direction of the life. Earlier, the life direction is dogward. See, when we went today to see somewhere, who asked me, Swamiji, what did you see there? I said, dogs and man. I was in Barcelona, Spain. We used to go for a walk on the beach, long beach, 4 or 5 kilometers. So my friend, he asked me, Swamiji, what is special that you are seeing here? I said, I am seeing every young man or a woman or a boy or a girl, they have a dog. So everybody is led by the dog, not by God. So now can you imagine why they are carrying the dogs? I said, I don't know. If I have to imagine, I will think about God. Why think about dog? He said, you know how the boy and the girl, they fall in love with each other? When they are crossing, and if their dogs like each other, then they fall in love with each other. commitment to the dog. Exactly the same way. What is giving us commitment in life? Without commitment, nothing can be achieved. And a person with commitment is able to think out of the box. See? Out of the box thinking. And then we are reborn. Presently, we are just born. Parents give the body for us to die one day. And then we go through good and bad experiences. And some event, something happens. And then we start rethinking about our life, about the world. So, those who are knowing everything, they have no problem. Those who don't know anything, they have no problem. Problem is for those who know little here, little there. See? For them the problem is. And that is the case of entry on the spiritual path, or for that purpose in the world. See?